Sa panig ng AC Nico Bihag, ang setter Carlo Grospe, the libero, the MVP Howard Mojica, Kurt Meliza, the other pinasakay sa laan, wala pa rin. Mojica na naman, dinagdagan ng anghang ang kanyang palo at nakapuntos para sa Generals. We're there para sa Perpetual. Mojica na naman, but the blockers were there. Bonjomar Castel denying Howard Mojica. Panoorin natin muli dito sa replay na ito. Sa kabila, free ball para sa EAC. And the running attack right there, converted by Israel Encina.
Yes, nahihirapan ngayon ang Perpetual. Join lang. Pero, I mean, he's open to that kind of system before the game.
That's one of the reasons we're happy to have you here, Melissa, dahil may mga bagay ka na ikikwento sa, na pwedeng ikwento sa setter. Mula sa panig ng Generals, that was a power tip right there.
Power tip from Castel. Knowing Castel also, it's his last year, Anton.
Look forward to commit any mistakes. Combination play!
And Doguna ends the set.
Ariel Doguna
The
tinapos
Generals.
ang set number 1. Grabe yung diskarte na ginawa ng Generals. Us for the first time dito sa ABS-CBN Sports Broadcasting. And of course, we have Myrtle Soros.
Mga players ngayon natin.
Taneo Jr. breaks down the wall on that hit.
Anton, Taneo sa men's talaga na nag-aangasan. Lalaki yan eh.
Through the block,
Meanwhile,
Meliza scores.
Kurt Meliza is able to break down the wall. University. Quick attack right there. Bonjomar Castel tinapos ang play.
Another powerful tip there by Bonjomar Castel. When trailing naman,
Zedric Silosin.
tapusin na to. I mean, just keep on doing. Yes, because they have better defense ngayon, Anton.
Speaking of better defense, an emphatic block right there by the Altas, Ramos and Absede. Nagsanib puwersa para
Second set.
So let's see who will commit lesser errors here in set number 3 and whose offense will see sila sapagkat ang kanilang men's team are back in the finals for the 4th straight year.
Of course, kasi parehas din naman team yun, Anton. Talagang maganda na nakikita natin ng all-out support ang mga fans sa mga...
Mojica, that's the first drop ball we've seen here dito sa laban na to. And a running attack
Down the line.
by Ramos, able to generate a point para sa Altas. Number 6 para sa Perpetual. Meliza, pinatalbog
Meliza,
sa kamay ng
off the
blockers,
ball.
puntos para sa Generals.
Grabe ang palit.
Of the net.
Nagkatinginan silang lahat.
Oh,
Encina
but what a
with the runner.
response right there.
An open block.
Israel Encina. Ito naman ang pambawi ng Altas, pero mas malupit na depensa ang pinakita ng EAC.
A better defense now you can see from you. Usually talagang papatalbugin mo na yun kasi it's an easy point for you.
Mojica.
Kitang-kita naman.
Cross-court shot.
Kitang-kita naman ni Mojica.
Howard Mojica. Mojica pops it up. It's a back set. Hitting it from
Cross-court
the
shot.
side. Back set. And an emphatic finish
Encina
for
ends the set
Israel
for the
Encina.
Generals.
O nakabawi ang EAC.
25-14.
Yes, ngayong set na to talagang bumawi sila at talagang nag-step up then in my part.
And we thank you so much for sharing your knowledge about the game bilang analyst.
Na ito. Player ka talaga.
And I was actually there nung sinabi niya yung laban lang ng laban, walang dapat katakutan. When he said it, pati yung mukha niya parang
Kanina pa siya nag-back quick, open.
well, that's Doguna. Mojica.
Mojica, back row attack.
Yun, gagana at gagana yan.
9-5.
Kahit saan pa siya pumapalo. Malaki ang first setting laro, emotions running high. you have to make adjustments also in terms of your celebration.
Taneo denied
Pero
by the
minsan
triple
hindi.
block.
Hindi mo pigilan yung sarili mo eh.
At ayan, speaking of Castel, yan ang kanyang pambawi.
7-12.
Sinusubukan niyang gisingin ang kanyang mga kakampi dito sa bakbakan na to. Pero patuloy pa rin silang lumalaban. It's a joust at the top. Nothing there. Meliza, sarado ang
Beliza
pintuan.
denied by Ramos.
Panoorin natin muli. Taneo pops it up from the back row.
Kasim nails
Great
it.
job right there by Ismael Kasim. Bonus points na ito para 16. Mojica. Isang
Mojica.
napakaanghang na palo ang ginamit ni Howard Mojica para tapusin ang game number 1. What a match. Panoorin natin back-to-back championships
Yes.
sa men's volleyball tournament ng NCAA Season 91.
Yes, and it's up to Perpetual to have a great comeback on the next game.